So before I put the side skirt back on the bus, I need to take this door out so I can cut off this last piece of the side skirt, and then I'll have to notch my new side skirt to go around the doorway. So I just want the door out of there so I don't have to worry about it. So now that I have it close to its final position, I have to try to tease the lower underbay sheet metal up and behind the sheet metal from the bus. Kind of just wiggle it in and get it up there. It was be interesting because I have a tab that I have to get up on top of the fuel tank frame, and as soon as I get that all in, then it should be good to go. But it might be a little bit of a wrestling match here. I just have a little tab of sheet metal that folded over the wrong way. It was on the other side of where two sheets lapped, so I didn't see it right away. So I just cut that out, and then should be good to go. So now it is time to hang this passenger side skirt. It should go a lot easier than the other side because I don't have to get it up on top of the fuel tank frame. So it should just come up and get bolted into place. So we'll see how it goes. So our next step here is I want to get this rubber rail put back on, and that will tie all of our sheet metal back together and give us a much stronger side to the bus. So what I'm going to do is, some of these rivet holes are 1/4 inch already, some of them aren't. So I want to get this up in place with some of the 1/4 inch holes, and then after we get in place, I'll just start drilling all the other ones and we'll rivet it all in place. So I'll be using the air riveter, and should go pretty fast if I don't have any complications. So here we go. So I'm going to put a bead of just 100% silicone along this edge just to get it a little bit more watertight. Just to grab onto this,
Okay.
lift it up, and just kind of hold it there while I get my first.
Hold it in its place where I see the outline. Okay.
Just hold it there for a second.
Yep. Got it?
Okay. I have to do yours now.
Okay.
Here we go.
Sweet.
I'll work my way out.